Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a schedule in Google Sheets by using a template. So in here, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Google Sheets. You can just go to docs.google.com and then slash spreadsheets. And then here to use the template, you just need to click on the template gallery and then just scroll down until you find the personal. Okay, so here in the personal section there will be a schedule template that you can use. Just click on that, and after that here the template will be open, and then you can just add it as you like. You can add it into a weekly schedule, a monthly schedule. As you guys can see here that the current format is a daily schedule, and you can just change it into, for example, weekly schedule like this. And then here you can just week off, for example, the 1st September or the 1st March, or first week of March. And then you can change the time, and also the you can get rid of this and change it by weeks. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.